What makes a food the best in the world? Is it the taste, the texture, or the memories it brings? Some foods are soft, some are crunchy, but the best ones often remind us of happy times. A great recipe is like a great song. It makes you feel good and you want to share it. The search for the perfect recipe is a delicious adventure. The truth is, the best food is different for everyone, but some recipes are loved almost everywhere. These special dishes cross borders and cultures, becoming a universal language of flavor. Today we're talking about one of these global favorites, a dish that started in one country but now belongs to everyone. You'll find it in fancy restaurants, cozy corner shops, and home kitchens alike. It's simple, endlessly creative, and perfect for celebrations or quiet nights in. This recipe is a true champion of food, winning hearts around the world. It's a circle of happiness you can hold in your hands, warm, cheesy, and full of flavor. Ready to discover which recipe we're talking about? Let's go on a journey to find out. We'll learn its story, its secrets, and why it's so special. We'll explore how this simple dish became a global superstar. Let's begin our delicious adventure into the world of the one and only pizza. Pizza is more than just food. It's a shared experience. It connects us all in a simple, delicious way. Are you ready to take a bite out of history? Let's get started. The ultimate recipe we're celebrating is pizza. That wonderful circle of dough, sauce, and cheese is loved by kids and grown-ups everywhere. Pizza starts with a flat piece of bread, topped with tomato sauce and melted cheese. From there, the possibilities are endless. Add vegetables, meats, or anything you like. Its simplicity is what makes pizza so great and so popular. Pizza is famous worldwide, from Tokyo to Cairo to the beaches of Brazil. Each country adds its own special touch, from thick, soft crusts to thin, crispy ones. Toppings change with local ingredients, making every pizza unique. The basic ingredients, flour, water, yeast, tomatoes, and cheese, are simple and affordable. Pizza is a food for everyone, not just the rich. It's a meal that brings families together and makes people happy. Why is pizza so loved? It's the perfect combination of flavors and textures. Soft, chewy dough, sweet and tangy sauce, salty, creamy cheese, all in one bite. Pizza is satisfying, comforting, and fun to eat with your hands. It's perfect for parties, movie nights, or a quick lunch. Pizza fits into almost any part of our lives. It's a food that adapts to every culture and every occasion. No wonder it's a global favorite. Pizza is more than a meal. It's a way to bring people together, and that's why it's the ultimate recipe. The story of pizza begins long ago with ancient flatbreads. Greeks and Romans topped their breads with herbs and oil, a simple early version of pizza. The modern pizza was born in Naples, Italy, in the 1700s and 1800s. Poor workers needed cheap, quick food, so street sellers made flatbreads with simple toppings. Tomatoes, once thought poisonous, became a key ingredient in Naples. Add garlic, oil, and cheese, and you have the beginnings of Neapolitan pizza. In 1889, Queen Margherita of Italy visited Naples and tried a pizza with red tomatoes, white mozzarella, and green basil, the colors of the Italian flag. This pizza was named Pizza Margherita in her honor. From Naples, pizza began its journey around the world. Italian immigrants brought pizza to America, opening the first pizzerias in cities like New York. At first it was food for Italian communities, but after World War II, returning soldiers craved pizza. Soon, everyone wanted a slice. Pizza's popularity exploded, and it became a global phenomenon. Today, pizza is enjoyed everywhere, in countless forms. Its story is one of tradition, innovation, and sharing. Pizza's journey from humble street food to worldwide superstar is truly remarkable. Every slice tells a story of culture and connection. That's the magic of pizza. It's a dish with a history as rich as its flavor. Imagine our kitchen as a claymation movie set. A round, smiling ball of pizza dough wiggles with excitement. Clay hands stretch and spin the dough, turning it into a perfect circle. A cheerful clay tomato jumps into a bowl, becoming bright red sauce. A clay spoon dances, spreading the sauce in a smooth circle. Little clay basil leaves leap onto the pizza, adding fresh green color. A block of mozzarella, soft and cloud-like, gets grated into fluffy white shreds. The cheese falls like snow, covering the sauce in a cozy blanket. Our pizza is almost ready, warm, colorful, and inviting. The clay pizza slides into a friendly, glowing oven. Inside, the dough puffs up and turns golden. The cheese melts and bubbles. The kitchen fills with a wonderful smell. When the oven opens, our pizza hero emerges. perfectly cooked and steaming. Clay people gather, eyes wide with excitement. Each takes a slice, the stretchy cheese connecting everyone in a moment of pure joy. Pizza brings smiles to every face. It's a happy ending for our claymation kitchen, and a delicious beginning for us. The dough is the foundation of every great pizza. Mix flour, water, salt, and yeast. Yeast makes the dough rise, creating bubbles for a light, airy texture. Kneading the dough makes it strong and stretchy, the perfect base for toppings. The tomato sauce is the heart of the pizza, giving it bright color and tangy flavor. The best sauce is simple. Fresh tomatoes, maybe a little garlic, oregano, or basil. It should be just thick enough to coat the dough without making it soggy. Mozzarella is the classic pizza cheese. Soft, white, and perfect for melting. When hot, it becomes gooey and stretchy, creating that famous cheese pull. Its mild flavor lets the sauce and crust shine. Dough, sauce, and cheese are a magical team. Each plays a vital role, and together they create something truly special. The dough is the canvas, the sauce is the paint, and the cheese is the finishing touch. If one ingredient is off, the whole pizza changes. But when they're in perfect balance, every bite is warm, comforting, and delicious. This simple combination is a masterpiece loved for generations. Pizza's magic is in its simplicity. 3 ingredients, endless possibilities. That's why pizza never goes out of style. It's a classic for a reason, and it all starts with dough, sauce, and cheese. Pizza is so popular, it has its own special days and world records. The largest pizza ever made was over 131 feet wide, bigger than a basketball court. Toppings vary wildly. Brazil loves green peas, Japan tries squid ink, and Sweden tops pizza with bananas and curry. Pizza has even been to space. The Russian space agency delivered one to the International Space Station. Pizza is a comfort food, even among the stars. Eating styles differ too. In Italy, people use a knife and fork. In the US, pizza is eaten by the slice, often folded in half. No matter how you eat it, pizza is about enjoying that perfect mix of crust, sauce, and cheese. Every country puts its own spin on pizza, making it a truly global dish. Pizza invites creativity and experimentation. It's a food that brings people together, no matter where they are. Pizza is a universal language of deliciousness. It's a taste of home, wherever you go. And that's what makes pizza so special. Making pizza at home is fun for everyone. You don't need a fancy oven. Your kitchen oven works just fine. Buy pre-made dough to save time and focus on toppings. Set up a pizza bar with bowls of veggies, cheeses, and fun ingredients. For a crispy crust, preheat your oven and baking sheet to the highest temperature. Don't overload your pizza. Too much sauce or toppings can make it soggy. A thin layer of sauce and evenly spread toppings work best. The most important tip: have fun and don't worry about perfection. Cooking together creates happy memories. The best pizza is the one you make with love. Enjoy every bite. Pizza has a special power to bring people together. Think of a pizza party. Everyone gathers, shares slices, and laughs. Pizza is meant to be shared, building connections and friendships. Offering a slice is offering a moment of connection. Pizza breaks down barriers. Rich or poor, young or old, everyone enjoys it. It's served at birthdays, meetings, and casual get-togethers. No fancy plates needed, just grab a slice and enjoy. Making pizza together is a bonding activity, teaching teamwork and creativity. The reward is a delicious meal everyone helped create. Across cultures, pizza is a symbol of togetherness. Each country adds unique toppings, but the idea stays the same. Sharing pizza is sharing a common experience. It's a simple way to celebrate our shared humanity. Pizza unites us, one slice at a time. It's a circle of food that makes the world friendlier. Pizza is more than a dish. It's a global phenomenon, and it always brings people closer. Pizza is more than just a recipe. It's a global tradition. Born in Naples, now loved everywhere, pizza is a perfect harmony of dough, sauce, and cheese. Its adaptability and endless toppings make it a dish for everyone. Pizza is a canvas for creativity and a comfort food for the soul. The magic of pizza is in its simplicity and its power to connect us. Making or sharing pizza creates moments of joy and togetherness. The best pizza is the one you make and share with others. Everyone should try pizza at least once, but most of us want it again and again. It's a taste of comfort, a slice of happiness, and a circle of friendship. So next time you want the ultimate recipe, remember pizza. Grab a slice, share it, and be part of a global tradition of good food and good company.